At the office.
That's good, Miss Sheena.
Thank you, Mom.
Manuel is not going to work today.
I'm not going to work today. I'm sure there's a lot of things to do.
Where's Mr. Manuel?
Absent, Ma'am.
What? He did not even to call to me to inform that he is absent. Today, he did not already finish his paperwork. Boss, saw Princess browsing internet while in the job.
Why are you browsing the internet during working hour? Can you see there is a lot of work to finish?
I'm sorry, Mom. It's not gonna happen again.
Make sure you finish that today. If you need overtime, then do it. I need that tomorrow.
Yes, Mom. I will finish it today. If I need the overtime, I do it, and I will pass it tomorrow in the morning.
Okay, thanks, good.
Boss, saw Mia sleeping while in the job.
Mia, wake up. There's a lot of work to do.
I'm sorry, Mom. It's not gonna happen again.
Make sure of if you need to finish that today.
Yes, Mom. I will finish it today.
Okay, thanks, good.
Daughter asks a favor to her mother.
Hi, Mommy. Hi. Mom, can I ask you a favor? I need money because I need to buy some pencil and bond paper for our group activities in the school.
Sure, Princess. I'll give you that later. We have some pencil and bond paper in our office.
Okay, Mommy. Thank you.
A few hours, she came in the office. Then afterward, she took some office supplies, like bond paper, pencils for her daughter's needs. Then she leaves.
She went to the office manager and asked him for office supplies.
Good morning, Ma'am.
Good morning, Miss Jane. What can I do for you?
Can I get some office supplies because mine is already out of stock?
I'm sorry, Miss Jane. The supplies is already out of stock too. Maybe you can go back some other time when the supplies are already here.
Thank you, Ma'am.
The boss asked the secretary to bring a copy to his office.
Sheena, please bring me a copy.
Yes, sir.
The secretary put the copy to the table. The secretary noticed that his boss is looking at her body. She is bothered.
Any problem, sir?
Oh, nothing, Miss Sheena. I just noticed that you had a beautiful body.
Thanks, sir.
When the secretary turned her back, the boss stand up and grabbed her waist.
Oh, what are you doing, sir?
Don't shut up, Miss Sheena. I'll give you a bonus if you could keep this a secret.
I don't need your money. What I need is your respect. If you don't respect me, I will resign and I will file a case.
Okay, Miss Sheena, I'm sorry.
and grab her waist. And grab her waist. And grab her waist.
Favor natin.
Sa ano na lang.